ang Pilipinas ay hindi pa ready sa digitalization.
I don't think we are not ready. We're more than ready. In fact, there are many other companies outside of the Philippines are tapping us to actually want the platform to be implemented in their respective countries.
Na ngayon, isang makabagong sistema tumutulong sa pagbabago ng pamahalaan.
What PhilCentro do?
It is an anti-corruption system that is tailor-fit to the LGUs and NGOs.
What is the mission and the advocacy behind PhilCentro?
It provides transparency, efficiency, and accountability.
Vox Corbett, CEO of PhilCentro Technologies,
leads the company in revolutionizing public infrastructure management with innovative solutions like the Centro platform
His focus on transparency and community development drives PhilCentro's mission
to empower local government units and set new standards in governance.
Ultimo publiko po pwede nilang i-check saan ba napupunta ang taxes natin, nasaan ang pera natin, natutuloy ba itong tulay na naipangako, ano ba nangyayari dito. Pag nakuha nila yung system na yan, mahihirapan na silang mangurap.
Well, ganun na nga po ang mangyayari, sir.
Bakit technology ang napili mong business?
There's something bold in this kind of decision that actually I made along with my team and emerging ang technology. I think it's about time na makilala naman ang Pilipinas sa field ng technology kasi lagi na lang foreigners.
Do you think it's possible that somebody here in the Philippines would make it like as big as Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, yung mga tech giants sa buong mundo?
Hindi naman kasi imposible yun, Boss RDR. Itong mga giants na ito, nagsimula din sila from the scratch. Me personally, I started with nothing from Davao City. I actually grew up in Olongapo and then nag-high school sa Davao. Natutong magtinda-tinda and then nag-scholar dito sa Manila. And those were the collected experience na if you just keep on pushing to what you actually want to do, posible siya .
What's important is you're doing it every single day. Whatever it takes, kailangan ma-accomplish nyo yung goal ninyo to actually the Philippines be part of this ever-growing global technology.
In fact, there are many other companies outside of the Philippines are tapping us right now to actually want the platform to be implemented in their respective country. Pero kasi itong platform we curated is for the Filipino people. Yung priority ko talaga is here in the Philippines. Step by step lang talaga siya, Boss RDR . There's no such thing as shortcut. Posible siya, but it will take a lot of effort lang talaga.
Bakit ito ang napili mo? Isa ito sa pinaka mahirap pasukin, lalo't lalo na ang Pilipinas ay hindi pa ready sa digitalization.
Actually, matagal na tayong ready. Ang nangyayari ngayon, nagkakaroon ng emergence of technologies. Lumabas na yung mga AI, mga other inventions na very trending. Ang mga tao ngayon, hindi nga mabitaw-bitawan ng cellphone. I don't think we are not ready. We're more than ready.
We're ready, however,
Kailangan lang ng highlights of implementation na talagang kaya na natin. For the implementation, kasi it's really hard to execute. Kaya we created this kind of platform that is under Civic Tech. It's the very first startup, by the way, here in the Philippines, na yung startup ang tumutulong sa gobyerno. Technically, sa mga LGUs, we provide it for free access to the platform for their convenience. That actually give us an opportunity to help not just the government, but to participate actually to help the Filipino people.
for free.
Yes.
So that magamit nila ito for what purpose?
Per LGU kasi, meron kasing designation area kasi yung mga mayors na hindi nila natatanaw lahat ng mga infrastructure projects nila. Dito lumabas yung idea namin and yung mga hundreds of hours of research na why not we create a platform that can solve these kinds of problems where the mayors can actually monitor their entire infrastructure projects sa vicinity nila na they can actually see everything at the palm of their hands. Para silang mga big brothers nito na nakikita nila yung project para at least maiwasan na natin yung mga delays, yung mga naka-cancel, nasaan na ba itong mga gumagawa ng kalye sa tabing kanto, na monitor nila real time.
For the transparency.
Yes, for the transparency, accountability, and the efficiency of what they're doing.
Pag nakuha nila yung system na yan, mahihirapan na silang mangurap.
Well, sad to say, oo, ganun na nga po ang mangyayari, sir.
Kasi ultimo publiko po pwede nilang i-check saan ba napupunta ang taxes natin, nasaan ang pera natin, natutuloy ba itong tulay na naipangako, ano ba nangyayari dito.
Yes, Sir Raymond, and real time ito ha, napaka-convenient.
Yung accountability, napaka-importante nun.
Ay,
Kasi
oo.
maraming politiko na napakahuhusay nila magsalita. Lalo't lalo na ngayon, ayan, magkakampanya na mga boss, bubulahin na kayo niyang mga yan, di ba? Ngayon, gumawa ng sistema si Boss Vox Corbett natin para hindi na kayo nabobola kung sakaling iboto ninyo sila. Ngayon, meron na silang accountability, meron ng tracker na po pwede ninyong i-check, ultimo publiko, na makikita na rin ito ng Commission on Audit na naka-interconnected ito, tama?
Yes, sir. Actually, we're looking forward for multiple accreditation.
Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, Boss Vox, sino ka ba?
I don't have anyone to lean on back then. Even family ko kasi I needed to help them, of course, to make sure na makabawi kung ano mang nangyari sa buhay na hindi naman namin ginusto. Nag-apply ako ng scholarship sa Benild.
Nakakuha ka ng scholarship?
Ay, oo, 100%. Maganda talaga yung nangyari doon kasi binili ko din yung night class para at least makapag-work ako. So, naging perfect siya. Doon ako nagsimulang mag-thrive more.
Maraming mga kabataan ngayon, ini-enroll sila ng mga magulang nila pero hindi nila pinagpupursigihan sa eskwelahan. Dahil nga naman, dun sa mga nakikita nila ngayon sa social media na hindi na masyadong importante ang pag-aaral.
Sabi nila, ang success, walang guarantee sa pag-aaral. That's true and false at the same time. It is true, it can be your safety net. It's not just academic. It actually guides you to what is right, what is ethical. And of course, when you go to a proper university or college, you're able to meet people with the right mindset or same mindset. Kaya it's actually not true na walang guarantee. Wala naman talagang guarantee kasi sa lahat in general. But having a kind of this education can actually help you alleviate whatever plans you have. When you put standard to your own life, tataas din yung needs mo, di ba? Masisipagin ka, gawin yung mga dapat mong gawin.
Bakit pa gustong-gusto mong yumaman?
Actually, hindi naman talaga yumaman. Yumaman is just a reward of the effort that you've actually provided.
Bakit importante pa rin ang pag-aaral?
Learning is a never-ending process. Change is constant. You have to be on the right pace. Especially right now sa technology, ang bilis ng panahon ngayon. Baka bukas makalawa, iba na naman.
So, nakagraduate ka. Anong natutunan mo dun?
Ay, hindi lang natutunan. I was able to establish a startup company there.
Which is?
Which is Centro. Yung nasa AIM na ako, hindi lang kasi siya negosyo eh. It's really more on solving a big problem.
What's the inspiration behind that startup?
Frustration from the experience that we've had in the construction industry.
Yung frustration mo, naging inspiration mo, nakagawa ka ngayon ng isang system na may eliminate at may eradicate ito. Ano na yung latest development ninyo dito sa Centro?
Ongoing for phase 3, sobrang ganda na ng MVPs namin being used by couples of LGUs right now.
Ano mga LGUs?
Sa Quezon, which is in General Nakar, and Candaba in Pampanga, and Butuan City.
Basically, what PhilCentro do?
PhilCentro is a monitoring and project management platform that is tailor-fit to the LGUs and NGAs. This is the very first platform that does project monitoring and management for the infrastructure. And mas makikita ni Mayor yung actual movement of their projects in their respective area. And of course, long-term impact nito for their LGUs.
It's an anti-corruption system.
It is an anti-corruption system. Talagang magiging enticing siya sa mga investors, not just here in the Philippines, but internationally.
And what if hindi magustuhan ng mga LGUs yan kasi mas priority nila yung nakaka-cut-kong sila sa mga project?
Nako.
Ano po pwede nating magawa tungkol dyan?
I don't think na hindi nila magugustuhan the convenience it offers to them as a technology or platform. Sila mismo yung nakakakita ng lahat ng movement. And of course, if you are the mayor of your own respective cities or municipalities, you are in charge. And of course, you are also accountable to whatever delays or canceled projects or whatever issues it may arise. Kitang-kita niya na. It's really more on facilitating how to efficiently execute their respective LGUs in terms of infrastructure. And yes, there's this high percentage of transparency because on the platform, you can see everything. Sobrang nakakatulong talaga siya for anti-corruption.
What is the mission and the advocacy behind Centro?
It provides transparency, efficiency, and accountability.
So if you are a local government unit or on a national level na gusto ninyo may streamline yung mga construction ninyo na mga ginagawa dyan sa mga lugar ninyo para at least hindi kayo masyadong ma-hassle. Kasi ang hirap niyan, baka kayo rin ang balikan ng tao kung hindi nagagawa eh. So that magkaroon tayo ng proper monitoring, proper accountability, please contact Centro.
Inaanyayaan po namin ang mga mayors and some of the LGUs stakeholders stakeholders na i-take advantage po natin yung platform na to dahil hindi lang po siya talaga nakakatulong for us and nakakatulong po siya sa mga designated areas ninyo, sa LGUs ninyo. And also additional to the advocacy that we have this advocacy of Bantay Contractor. Nakikita mo na lahat ng movements nila kung sino ba yung accountable, sino ba yung mabilis magtrabaho. Talagang nakikita mo yung entire system for the LGUs. Madali lang naman yung process natin dyan. We have to set schedule for Centro and napaka-automated na siya since actually it's tailor-fitted to the Philippine environment. If I can just tell everyone how awesome the platform is for the construction industry here in the Philippines, they have to visit the PhilCentro at our website, philcentro.ph. Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Ang maganda sa Centro platform for the construction industry, actually it will be beneficial to both agencies and contractors kasi digitized na yung mga payments. Mamomonitor nila kaagad yung mga billings and payments and it's so convenient. Everyone actually will have this convenience of having these digitized payments.
Boss Vox, maraming
Thank
salamat. World class talaga ang Pilipino. No? And muli, makita-kita tayo. God bless sa inyo lahat.